Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, paano ba tayo mag-withdraw kay Whalefin papunta sa Coinsph? So guys, ito ay step by step na video tutorial. So guys, as you can see, meron ako ditong 12.44 na USDT. So, kailangan i-convert or i-swap muna natin to into BCH. So, click lang USDT guys para ma-convert or swap natin to siya into BCH. So, dito guys, since naka-USDT yung asset ko, so magsisend ako ng USDT and then ang get is BCH. So, click mo lang all guys pag gusto mo lahat ng available balance mo ay i-convert mo sa BCH. And then guys, balik sa wallet para ma-check kung na-convert na ba yung USDT natin sa BCH. So guys, as you can see, na-convert na siya. So, nasa BCH na siya. So, para ma-transfer na natin siya to Coinsph, click lang natin yung transfer. So guys, as you can see na ang transaction fee ni BCH or gas fee ni BCH ay nasa 0.0008. So kapag i-convert natin yan guys into PHP, nasa 8 pesos lang yung gas fee or transaction fee ni BCH. So, dito guys ay wallet address ni BCH from Coinsph. So, punta muna tayo sa Coinsph guys. So, dito guys, sa enter the 6-digit Google Authenticator, itong account ko kasi sa Whalefin guys is naka-on yung 2FA Authenticator. So, kapag yung account niyo guys is hindi naka-on yung 2FA Authenticator, ang hinihingi na verification code ni Whalefin ay yung last 4-digit code sa ID nyo or identification card nyo na ID na ginamit nyo na pag-verified sa Whalefin account nyo. So, yun guys, nakapag-request na ako ng withdrawal kay Whalefin papunta sa Coinsph. So, as you can see guys, yung time dito is 1:56. So guys, kung gusto nyong i-check yung withdrawal nyo, kung completed na ba, punta ka lang ulit sa wallet guys and then click BCH, and then dito sa transfer lock, and then address transfer. So, as you can see guys na pending pa siya. And then guys, in 2:25 PM ay completed na yung withdrawal ko kay Whalefin. Pero yung Coinsph ko guys ay wala pang laman. Hindi ko pa siya na-receive. Kasi guys, pag BCH, transfers will be credited to wallet after 12 confirmation. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa talagang ma-receive yung BCH ko guys from Whalefin. And then guys, 3:35 PM, na-receive ko na talaga yung BCH ko from Whalefin to Coinsph. So, ayan guys, na-receive ko na siya. And then guys, mga almost 1 hour guys bago ko na-receive yung withdrawal ko kay Whalefin. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you so much guys.